So hello friends, today we are going to where?
Kumba Food Festival.
Oh, Kumbha Food Festival.
There is the mini stalls.
Okay, okay. I don't know. Rupesh just came from there. Yeah.
I messaged to Ashish, but he couldn't receive my message. We are going. We are very very excited. I'm
Let's
also very
see.
excited with Ashish.
Okay.
I hope we get a minimum price with a good quality food there.
Kumbha is very expensive.
Very very expensive, but let's see what happens.
Okay, let's see. It's a department of MBA students, so their cost will be high.
Expensive, yeah.
Yes, yes. So let's go and check what is new there.
We
So
have to go fast.
we can
we have to
taste
go
something
fast
new.
because there is.
You can see our university. This is the peaceful university we have. It's a good day.
Students are coming from that Kerala from my.
Yes,
And
everyone coming from the department and
so
the
another
Kumbha
student
Food
also
Festival.
chemistry. He's ignoring, but I was shouting, "Hello!" But I'm not ignoring to anyone.
You are a genius, bro. That's why you are genius.
This
It's a good quality of a Rupesh. I'll most the most quality I like that this is the Rupesh quality that he speaks
yeah.
to
One thing is
everyone.
I'm doing this like one thing. This is live. We have to talk to everyone.
Yes,
we have
yes.
to make a good friends. If they're not good, we have to make good bond.
It's easy to talk like that, but we think it's very hard in our mind.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why we are thinking like that, and our behavior is getting worse day by day. You should learn from my brother Rupesh.
Yes, bro. Of
He's a
course,
very
I will
good
teach you.
teacher.
I will teach you which kind of language. I understand English, Telugu, Gondi, Madhya, Marathi,
He's a multi-talented.
Hindi.
He's a multi-talented. Bro.
Now I'm going to learn from Ashish Banjara.
Oh yeah. I will teach you, bro. I am belongs from that community, so I will teach you.
Yeah, I'm also from Gond, but Ashish, you want to learn?
Yeah. I want to learn,
Yeah, we
but
will also learn
for
each
now,
other.
this is the Kumbha
There is
department.
salt. I think we are entering.
Now
We are
I
entering.
will show you.
There is
the-
very crowd and some sounds are there.
Yes.
Another friend from Tamil Nadu, he is coming, Mahesh Babu. We will just land a little bit.
Just see the Kumbha Food Festival department. This is the Kumbha department, and they organize this food festival party. So let's see what they have, what they did.
I think there is finished, bro. But we
Oh.
are going to now. Everything is finished there, but we are going.
Let's check what they.
Anything is there, we will buy.
Yeah.
Those already.
Sticker stall, but we are not gonna see it, so we don't want stickers.
Almost finished. So down. Your mom, your sister, your girlfriend.
No, we don't have them. So
There is no anything, bro. There is no
see.
anything. We have to go that side.
Let's go to the food stall.
I think food stall also that peanut butter is there. Peanut butter is there, but I think there is also peanut.
No, I don't want peanut butter. Let's check other.
Fun. There is fun. Oh my god.
Where is fun?
I'm already closing.
Oh, it's our bad luck.
It's our really bad luck.
It's our bad.
There is something we have.
Okay, let's check. Where is that? Is there anything new in this department? They all are finished. My bad. Is there?
Ashish bad luck. I mean, I visited 2 times. There is good foods, but Ashish bad time now. So I said that. No problem. We have to go to canteen or take something chill.
Is there anything remaining?
No, anything. It's time to close it.
We should ask them.
Yeah, we should ask.
How we can know? We should ask them.
Where?
Wherever they have foods and all, but there is all are closed.
Come.
Rupesh, why you came here, bro?
You're already late, so that's
What you enjoyed here?
we just saw. You're late. You're bad luck.
Yes, I know it is my bad luck. Can you check the speaker and all? Then what we do? Then what we do, bro?
Let's go.
Is there a fresh juice?
No,
Or
there
what?
is no purpose. It's
Can we play the game? Or what cost they have?
no, they're already. What to say? They close. That's the ring light. Ring light.
All shops are closed.
So it's guys, it's Ashish bad luck.
Day by day, my bad luck is going to increasing day by day. But I'm not losing hope because of my friend Rupesh.
Yeah,
He's
I'm with
making
you.
me encouraging day by day.
It's okay. We don't go there. There is crowd. There is no anything else. So we have to go to Return Food Mall. Guys, don't decide. Let's go to food mall. Come. What to do? What to do? Nothing.
What a bad luck, bro.
Let's go.
I thought something to eat there.
But there is no anything.
Huh. Again.
You want to eat from canteen? Anything? I don't want to. Eat
I don't have words to talk now. What a bad luck. So,
Don't worry. There is no good food, so it's okay.
I don't want to eat in a food
but you
court.
want to see there.
I already bored from food courts.
Same,
Their
same,
foods.
same, same. I know.
So what should we do, bro, now?
We will check from this health center to check there. We will go to.
Can we help?
You can. You can.
Oh,
We will
my
go by
hand is
walk.
irritating.
We will go Shivaji Garden.
Yes, yes, yes. We will go there. Can we eat here something? Or you want something?
No, no, bro. Thanks. I don't want anything. If you feel hungry, then we will go.
I'm not feeling hungry. I feel hungry for the Kumba department, but
That's right.
it's okay. What I can do now? It's okay.
We have the option. You have to go there. Actually.
See, it is the food court.
Hey, we will go to Katraj for taking milk.
You want to drink a milk?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Why you are taking milk?
For the good MLC.
See, the forester is
Forester.
there.
You want to come Katraj Girls Hostel? Girls Hostel.
Want to come? Not a girls' hostel, Balaji store. For Rupesh
You
want to
come with
milk.
us? Come.
Oh, Rupesh sir is coming.
So not Rupesh sir, he's Forest sir.
Oh, sorry. My-
So Forest sir also coming, guys.
Yes,
We
yes,
are
Forest
going
sir
to
is
3
coming.
people. We make fun with Forest sir.
Okay. Being handsome day by day. Say hi, Forester.
Hi.
Oh yes.
Yeah, he just woke up from sleep, so that's why looking cute.
Why Forester? What is the reason behind your cuteness?
Tell to
I will tell you privately.
subscribe.
Is there any secret?
yeah, that is secret. So that's
Forester
why
is
they're
using
telling.
something secret. That's why they are not telling us.
In publicly.
Oh.
The moment was understand only boys. Girls also understand.
Oh, bhai saab.
Girls feel that, not
Oh.
interested.
How can girls feel that, Forester? They understand that. We will feel that.
For that you have to ask them.
Yeah, yes.
Forester
That's
is
right,
a
that's right.
high level. We
Thinking.
don't.
I'm pro person.
Yeah. He's a more experienced.
Pro and experienced person. Yeah.
Forester is a
What we call?
Doctor.
Forester is a doctor from their profession,
Yes.
and we are just students learning something new from Forester. So Forester know everything. Is that correct, Rupesh?
Yes.
Because रोजच करते का तुम्ही असे?
No, sir. We
We
just,
went in Tumba, but
Kumba,
there is
but
no admission.
our bad luck.
You are bad.
My bad luck. This is the health center of our university. It's free for all students of university.
We have to go that side, boy.
And this is the environment we have in our university. See the departments.
Show this.
See the environment. That's Department of Geology. There is a research foundation park. And there are also several departments in
In the university.
how many?
55.
Only 55.
Yeah, not 250.
Someone told me that.
Bro, 2 rupees too much.
Yeah. I also
Under-
thought like that.
Under university, I think there is colleges, but
Yes,
not
yes,
a
yes.
department.
It's like that.
College
Yeah.
under university.
Oh. Someone told me that.
Who is that number one?
I don't
Who's that
recognize.
talking guy?
Forester. Forester is now what we call.
Not now. He always talk that like.
Yeah. You are a roommate.
Yeah,
know
you are
very
new
well.
with him, so that's why you are realizing.
I am
it's
not
first
a
time.
new with him, but Forester looking good.
Very young
Why?
and handsome.
Huh.
Yes,
Very
yes.
young and handsome.
Looking very young and
Yeah, of
handsome.
course you are young, Forester.
By the way, I'm
Yes,
19.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. Forester is not married till now.
The reason is,
he's
the-
studying.
Huh.
Yes, but after a year he will get married. Is that correct, Forester?
Yes, correct. He's showing thumb.
Yes, yes,
Means correct.
it's correct. Yeah.
Next year.
Next.
Next year. That's a good news for us. So now Pores sir will give us party. For
After engagement and anything else.
yeah, it's a good news. See the CEC department is here.
What is mean by CE?
That is competitive examination center. This is the department. Anyone from civil service or MPSC or UPSC or Group B students will join to give a
Entrance exam.
exam.
For the state level exam.
Yes.
Finally, we are at Triveni Chowk. This is we called Triveni Chowk. We identified this is Triveni Chowk. Maximum people called I don't know, but we called this is Triveni Chowk. This is Triveni Chowk.
This is the road of the
Yeah, you have to talk.
close that and turn into.
Come on. Now you have to talk here.
सांगितलं त्या कॅमेरामध्ये.
So guys, this way goes to girls hostel and that way goes to main building. We are going to now not girls hostel. We are going to.
This place goes to Rupesh Heart.
Hey, don't talk in. My many sweethearts are there, but
So many sweethearts are there.
yes, from different departments. But now we are going to Balaji.
Rupesh is a jolly boy. He several friends.
He has several friends.
girlfriends. He have. We don't have that much girlfriends.
Okay, don't worry, guys. I will be meet to my every girlfriends with you if you want interested.
Our pleasure.
Oh my
to
God,
meet
sorry.
them.
तुला माहिती आहे काय बोलतो रुपेश?
Yes.
It's our pleasure.
Yes. Ashish will understanding. That is okay. No one could understand.
That's why I told you, no?
Yeah. Ashish understanding. That's good. So guys, if you want to see the front camera, wait. So guys, this is the
So many beautiful are standing there.
girls hostel. So
Then he will cross.
you want to talk anything, Ashish, about girls hostel?
Yes. This is the Pune University Girls Hostel. Maximum girl students are
Living.
here.
Yes.
Yes. It is a very affordable in university to have a hostel. It's very
To
affordable.
get hostel only 5,550 rupees only you have to pay.
Yeah.
Yes.
For 1
It's
year.
a per year.
Per year.
Yeah.
Per annum.
So you can
Not
imagine in a Pune University.
In Pune city.
In Pune city. Yes. Please turn on the front camera.
Come on, talk, guys. So guys, see, every people is this time to going to jogging and running. The Pune University is very eco-friendly environment is here. The many people
You saw this forest around us.
yeah, see this big forest and
And
very
see
good.
the beauty of the university around us.
Yes, guys. So finally we near to the Balaji. Yeah,
Our destination.
Our destination. The called Balaji shop.
Yes.
But we have to go here. No? I want to take milk.
You want to take milk?
Yeah.
Okay, then what
Which milk?
should I take?
Amul
Flavored milk.
What flavor you like, Rupesh?
No any specific. Yes. We have to go first here or there.
I will take lassi.
Okay,
what
yes,
you
sir.
want?
I will have buttermilk.
Okay, then let's see. Is there something?
So you want to talk. So guys, finally.
So we came to Katra's
Milk
Dairy.
products and ice cream parlor.
Near
Parlor. Parlor. What is
Not
mean by
parlor,
parlor?
it's-
Yeah, it's parlor.
Okay.
Doodh pocket.
Uh,
Doodh pocket.
One lassi.
And is there? Pani puri wala?
Okay. We have to pay now. For now, we will stop the camera. From Pores sir.
Not from
Not
me.
from Pores sir, but
That time he
yesterday we.
Not yesterday.
Yesterday's before day, I had a cold drink for a Pores sir. So now he gave me the lassi from him. So it's a good to having a lassi. Oh, please, Rupesh, go and take what we call that straw. Please.
Stop. Where is that? That is free or that is
Yes, bro, it's a free, bro. So, Pores sir, where we go from? This road or this road? Okay. So, here is also one road to from back side of a girls' hostel.
Where we should go?
Anyway, we are going to Shivaji Garden.
Yes.
We
But we have
planned
to
that.
go this side. Why
Sorry?
we have to go in this?
We can go from this side. We are going in Shivaji Garden. You also join us. Okay.
I don't want to drink milk by walk. I want to sit and milk.
You
Drink.
want sit and milk?
Sit and drink.
You want to sit and milk? What are you talking, Rupesh? How you will manage that?
You are on live.
Yes,
Sorry,
I
guys,
am on
my
live.
mistake.
Okay, this is
I'm
the
learning now. I'm
tongue
learning
slip
now.
of
You guys understand?
Rupesh. Yes, yes. Everyone is capable to understand because everyone is a mature. Yes. So you see the flowers here. It's a real beauty of a university. It's not looking good in camera, but when you see in real.
Our first year girl is coming from that side.
Also, you should take the camera and introduce.
Siley, hi. कुठे चालली? Okay. ठीक आहे. No, she's good girl. पण तिला ऐकून आहे.
Okay. So Sally is a good girl. It's okay to have friends like Sally.
You have to go fast.
Okay. This is the girls' hostel. We again will check here. What is sir? What is sir?
So guys, bye. It's time to go to my hostel.
Ladies hostel. Ladies. Yes, Paresh. Yes, Rupesh, you can go. You can go. It's your hostel. You go there and.
Sorry guys, after Shivaji Garden I have to go. It's not a good time to go now. It's I need a dark time to go in the hostel. Night time.
Okay. You can go in night.
Yes.
But for now, we will enjoy the Shivaji Garden. So I will show you after some time. So for now, I will close the camera and I will enjoy my lassi. Okay. We just sit here in a corner because Rupesh want to drink by seat. He's a very professional drinker, professional milk drinker.
Not anything. Guys, please take a different way to drink.
Yes, everyone is mature here.
Oh, sorry.
If Sakshi saw this video, then what will happen? Just tell me, what will happen? So don't mention anyone. Just say your friend or your friend. Or our friend. No, she is not my friend. Yes. Please complete fastly, bro. We are getting late. The sun is going down, and we also want to visit Shivaji Garden. Please fast. Paresh sir is so friends, Rupesh is busy now. And
तो बताओ.
me and Paresh sir we're going to garden, Shivaji Garden. This is the beautiful Shivaji Garden. What's the view? Let me show you with the back camera. Main gate of Shivaji Garden. You can see the view. How beautiful is this garden? It's a very beautiful garden we have in our university, Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University.
You enjoyed? तो मुझे भी खिलाना.
See the view.
Oh my God,
See the
sunset
view.
is good.
What a view. The sunset makes the view very beautiful.
So कितने का?
Everyone comes here and enjoy their life. You can see this is the more beautiful thing in this garden. This is the statue of our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. See what a beautiful this statue. We know the legacy of our Maharaja Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And you saw the beauty of this garden here. Everyone is enjoying here. You can see here. So anyone who are exhausted and in a stress, they can come here and relax their mind. It is very peaceful here. If anyone come alone and with friends, they can enjoy very well here. Yes. This is the beauty of this garden. You can see here. Let me show you one round. Let's go.
Without chappal.
Okay.
From here to the
It is very good without Crocs and
Chappal.
chappals. We will
Boris
walk
sir,
on grass.
will you
okay?
join us?
Yes.
Come.
Let me show you the beauty of this Shivaji garden. This is the greenery everywhere. You just saw.
So guys,
What are
finally we are at our second destination.
Yes.
It's called Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Garden.
Yes.
So already shown that.
Yes. Yes. I
statue.
show. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think you guys seen that statue. That is the big one.
Yes. That is the main
Date of
thing.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti is coming, 19th
Yes.
Feb. Everyone,
Yes. It's
guys.
remaining 6 days.
6 days. There is the big festival is going here.
Yes.
We
yes.
are very very excited to see, and we are really. Last year I enjoyed,
Yeah. I also enjoyed.
but last year we are not.
But we
friend.
don't know each other.
huh.
Yeah, last year.
Last year.
So this year we will enjoy a lot.
Yes.
You can see.
Guys, so many people are playing the badminton here.
Yes. Many people come here to
So,
play. Many people come here to
Date.
date.
Date also, yeah.
Yes, they can do. And many people come to for a peace. to study. And anyone come from outside of the university, they also can come here and they enjoy the beauty of our university.
Let's see.
Yes. See the view. This. Everywhere there is a yellow light that makes more beautiful. Looking good. It is closed by 7 o'clock and now it's time 7 o'clock, so we should go outside. The students are studying here. Someone there is sitting, someone taking pictures.
Someone is sleeping.
Yes. And this is the beauty of our university. You can see. So this is the all Chhatrapati Shivaji garden. There is also remaining garden, but we don't go there. That is so long there. People
have no
are
time.
just came to walk there, but we enjoy the nature here. And now we should close the video here because the time is over now, and we also want
Foreigners
to
also came here. Show foreigners.
you will see the foreigners here also.
They also will go.
Foreigners also here to see the statue of our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. All know the legacy of our Maharaja. So they're taking pictures. Everyone is taking picture
Yeah,
here.
it's a good memory.
Yes,
We are
yes.
capturing there.
See the pose of that man. It's a legacy of our Maharaj,
Indian culture and Indian.
of our
culture.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that making him pose like a warrior. Yes, we should also do like that. But for now, we are going to just chill here. So, what will you say? Something, Rupesh?
So guys, hope you enjoying our vlogs and all.
Yes.
We are also enjoying. Not regularly we are going to making vlogs and all because of the reason is storage problem. One big
Yes,
reason.
yes, big reason is a
And
storage
second
problem.
reason is we are not able to meet together.
Yes, yes, I agree.
Because
We are
the
meet,
timing
but-
is not
Yes,
match.
yes. We have our works separate. That's why we are not making vlogs every day. But whenever we get a chance, we will make vlogs. So, if you want to see the daily vlogs, please like and subscribe our channel.
Till
So,
bye.
then, till now, we should say
Bye.
bye.
The background is good.
Yes. Give them one line. Yeah. Rupesh.